To assign different ringtones to different people, all you have to do is open your Contacts app, or I usually go through the phone app and then tap on Contacts. You see a whole list of your contacts here. Search for the contact you want to set the ringtone for. I'll set one for myself here. Tap on the contact, tap on Edit, then scroll down till you see the ringtone. Mine's currently set to a sound called Departure. You can set it to different sounds. I even have some custom ringtones like this one here. So now that's the ringtone when this person calls me. To create a custom ringtone from a popular song like I did there, I've got that in a different video. I'll link to that in the card up above if I remember, but definitely at the end of this video, I'll link to the video on how to do that. Then tap the check mark when you're happy with that ringtone for that person. Then you can go to a different person's profile, tap on Edit, scroll down to the ringtone section. Currently this one's default. Tap on it, choose a different sound, or even a different custom song, and then that is now the ringtone for that person. And you can go through your whole contact list and set different sounds for all the different people. You can also set custom text message sounds. If we edit the contact again, we see here text tone. We can set different tones for your text messages in the same way. And as promised, if you want to see how to create a custom ringtone from a popular song for free, this is the video you want to watch right here. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.